So this is what 26 euros get you in southern Philippines. We are in Davao City. We are heading out because it's late afternoon. We are having a layover here because tomorrow we are leaving the country. We are flying out. So if you want, join us and let's go out for some dinner. Wow, I'm actually loving the vibes of the center. The colors of these little buses and the buildings, they all look like the 90s and early 2000s in my country. It's such a throwback in time. Kaders. So today's choice is Jollibee, which is a Filipino chain of fast food restaurants. I've heard about it before, but never seen it in real life. It should be similar to McDonald's. I mean, in the menu they have Pepsi. They've got French fries and a burger. So let's see. Actually, the burger is very good. Cool, I'm not disappointed. But guys, don't choose fast food. Choose healthy instead. The amount of garbage I have eaten on this trip, I mean, it wasn't too bad, I think. Because street food can be healthy. And noodles aren't necessarily unhealthy. But still, it's a good choice for a night like this before an international flight. Anyways, guys, cheers. These lights are super cool. I think it's still the leftover from the Christmas decoration. Also, they made the city hall look super fancy. Yeah, the city knows what it's doing. I can't believe that tomorrow we are flying to yet another country. It's gonna be super exciting. I forgot to mention that Davao is quite large. It's a city with roughly 1.8 million people. So if you wanna see something different than the typical places in the Philippines, because most of the people choose Manila, Palawan, of course, Cebu. So if you want to see something else, then you should come to Davao. It's easily, how to say, you can easily navigate yourself. There is an application, Grab. You can use it here. It doesn't work on Palawan, but it works here. So yeah, it's quite easy to drive around and it's not expensive. There are things to see, and they say that it's the safest city in the Philippines. This is what our driver said today, at least. Anyway, I'm so tired. I'm just talking some messy stuff right now. Thank you for joining us on this short walk and sightseeing and junk food eating tour. And I guess I'm gonna see you in the next video. Okay, guys, take care and bye.